I've been watching you. At night, I think of you.
Good morning. I am Tito Yungao, the school of the Manay Elementary School. I'd like to present the accomplishment report of the Brigada Eskwela concluded last May 18 to 23, 2015. Brigada Eskwela turned out to be the successful annual activity of the school. This harnessed the active participation of stakeholders in doing the minor repair, ground preparation, pruning of trees, and trimming of grasses, as well as roof repaint, wall repainting, classroom, fence repainting, and classroom structuring and cleaning of the school campus. The countless support of the stakeholders from different sectors provided a collective and action not only for the beautification of the school but also the safety of our pupils and teachers in coming to school. What made this Brigada Eskwela unique in our school is that it reached up to 161 stakeholders voluntarily helped us, and most of them are concerned individuals who offered a labor as a form of their contribution. They said these are the best thing that they can do for the school, for they don't have any money or materials to give. Wholeheartedly, the school accepted and recognized this kind of support for the betterment of mankind and for the good of the school children. Aside from the labor force, they were a group of people who provided the school with financial assistance and materials. As the counterpart of the school, budget from Brigada Eskwela and a portion of repair and maintenance have been utilized in order to augment the limited resources for the said activity. The PT officials decided to donate needed tools for the school such as shovel, grass cutter, cross-cut hammer, and push-pull tool meter. Surely, these common tools will be helpful in doing the common work and repair of the school. Ronald McDonald, the House of Charities, has imparted its share in providing opportunity to grade 1 teacher and school head by including them in the 3-year training workshop on teaching beginning reading and reading comprehension in cooperation with Adarna Publishing House Incorporation. Approximately, the total cost of materials is 9,500, which will be utilized by grades 1 and 2 pupils. The learning materials provided by the Ronald McDonald House of Charities will become instrumental in the improvement of reading ability and comprehension of the pupils. Another private individual in the person of Miss Hazel Kinman donated school supplies for grade 1 and 2 pupils. Grade 5 Newton, under the advisory of Ms. G. Abaday Bilin, has become a model classroom in our school for the Brigada Eskwela 2015. Hand in hand, teacher and parents helped in classroom repainting inside and outside wall, cleaning the surroundings of the classroom, repair and painting of fence, and repainting of windows. Daily documentation from day 1 to day 6 of Brigada Eskwela. The school crafted and submitted its summer intervention programs such as INSET, Summer Reading Camp, and Brigada Eskwela program. Brigada Eskwela is one of the solutions to address concern for school readiness in terms of school physical facilities and classroom atmosphere. Through brainstorming and consultation of the teacher, parents, and PT officials, the school has come up with 1-week Brigada Eskwela daily activities for day 1, ground preparations, pruning of big trees, cutting of grasses, planting of plants, and cleaning of the surroundings. I am now inviting the parents, alumni, students, local government unit, and non-government organizations, and all stakeholders and partners to join us in the implementation of the school maintenance week of this coming May 30 to June 4, 2016. Your support and commitment will be our strength in providing a child-friendly atmosphere for our children. This Brigada Eskwela will show the expression of camaraderie, spirit of voluntarism, and helping one another. Thank you very much.